Hey guys, my name is Robert, and this is probably one of the most expensive things I have ever bought. It is called the Qwerkywriter, a mechanical typewriter for your typewriter keyboard. And this is going to be an unboxing video because this is really expensive. So here we go. As you can see, it's for me, shipped to my address. I want to make sure not to hurt anything. I want to make sure the box is sealed perfectly. Alright, we got one side open. Other side is open. It's a lot of protective layers for a keyboard. Alright, let's take a look at the box, shall we? We got some bubble wrap going on right here. And this, my friend, is actually from the company called Qwerky Toys. And I'm about to unbox this box right here. It's quite amazing types of stuff they come up with. And it's brand new Qwerkywriter Retro from Qwerky Toys. Mechanical keyboard. This is what it looks like inside. So this is what the typewriter will look like. It's brand new. Absolutely gorgeous. And this, my friend, currently there are two versions. There's the Qwerkywriter Retro, which is this one, the original one, and it ran out. So this one is about $450 currently. That's how much you can get it for resale price. And then the Qwerkywriter S is about $300. But look at this unboxing. Like, holy moly, this is one beautiful thing. I'm just gonna carefully take this typewriter out. It's so beautiful. Of course, we got our cable right here. Oh, look at this. We got our click, scrolls. This is just actually beautiful. We're gonna take this protection off, put it back in here, take the cover off. And it's so loud. Holy crap, this is beautiful. Now let's take a look at the back side. Yup, that's right. Oh, whoops. $450 typewriter. Is it worth it? I don't know. I'll have to test it out later. But man, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so now I'm going to hook this up to Bluetooth later. I gotta head back to school now, because right now it's lunchtime. But yeah, this is actually beautiful. I'm gonna test out if it works, how well it works. For now, it seems really good. I love it. Alright.